Damp-proof high efficiency has the EVERLOOP feature. This means it is possible to conveniently replace both the light source and the driver. Now, I would like to show you how. Let's first replace the light source. Firstly, disconnect the electrical connector of the light source. Then, disconnect both mechanical clips to fully separate the light source. Locate the marked positions and use a flathead screwdriver to prise apart the diffuser and the light source tray. The diffuser can also be removed by hand. Locate the same marked positions for the screwdriver on the diffuser side and press gently down and lift up the diffuser. Release the locking screw on the reverse side and the electrical connection clip at the end. Push the installed light source to remove it from the tray. Align the replacement light source up with the 3 raised dots marking. Raise the end of the light source and slide it along to sit in the tray channel. Close the locking screw on the reverse side. Attach the electrical connection. Check that the replacement light source is correctly aligned on all points and installed. Reattach the diffuser onto the light source tray. Finally, reconnect both mechanical clips and electrical connector. Now, let's replace the driver. Loosen the screw and slide the holding clip to the side. Disconnect all electrical wires. Remove old driver and replace it with new driver. Connect up all electrical wires. Slide holding clip back in and tighten up the screw.